What does it mean to stay fresh in business? That means throwing out that contaminated sponge. It means ending the arguments about whether to wash the dishes in the sink or loading the dishwasher. And it's also thinking green and saving the planet. It means eliminating the dispense of disposable cups and dishes.
FreshCUP cleans and disinfects cups and dishes in 30 seconds at 100 degrees centigrade without human intervention, without a contaminated sponge, and without the unnecessary expense of disposable dishes, and all at the touch of a button. Let's wash up with FreshCUP.